away from victory. I'm like the new predator of songs and sodomy. You know why? Because I'm not gay. It's not a sin, actually. Oh, sodomy is like fisting. But in case you didn't know, I use a condom. I'm fake. Oh my God, that rhymes. Okay.
This isn't even funny.
It's pouring outside like a fucking jizz all over the bed because I can't aim. Yeah, that's right. I usually use a Kleenex, but this time I forgot. But it just felt better when I jizzed all over the bed. Again, I also jizzed on my desk because I was born too much. Much too much. I eat lunch. Sandwiches are better with bologna on them. And then you burn them. Like, bleach their hair. Yeah, that's what we do. DJ! Right, talk.